A dollar saved is a dollar earned. Let me save you over $10,000 per year and help you make money in the process. If you want to make money online, you must use these services. Hosting servers for your websites that will cost you around $274 per year. Photoshop for graphics work will cost you $251 per year. Webinar platforms like GoToWebinar and Zoom will cost you $5,399 per year. Autoresponders, because money is in the list, will cost you $313 minimum per year. Funnel building applications like ClickFunnels will charge you $3,564 per year. Cloud storage like Google Drive and Dropbox will charge you $199 per year. And you have to spend money on all these services before you ever make any money. In fact, it's very hard to make money at all without these services. And the worst part, they all charge you monthly or annual recurring fees, which means you keep paying money months after months, whether you make money or not. And add those all up, and you are paying more than $10,000 per year. $50,000 over 5 years. That's enough for a brand new Tesla. And that's not even counting what you have to pay for graphic design, stock graphic sites, and memberships. Now your Tesla has turned into a high-end sports car. You must be feeling like your money is flying away in many directions. But I have some good news for you. You can stop paying for all these services today. Introducing the one-bundle. The one-bundle has all the important services that you need. Cloud hosting for your files and videos, images, PDFs, ebooks, web hosting for your websites, a complete funnel builder for your pages and funnels, webinar platform to run your webinars, and Click Easy Graphics Creator, all under one roof. The best part, there is only one single low payment. No monthly money grabs climbing away at your hard-earned cash. Here's what you get. Drive Zpresso gives you all the storage you need for your files and videos, PDFs, images, backup everything you need, and share all you want. This replaces Dropbox, Google Drive, and other file hosting services. Drive Zpresso is included for one-time payment in the bundle. Host Zpresso is the new home for your websites with unlimited domains, storage space, and bandwidth. You will be able to host all your websites today and in the future. Host Zpresso is included in the bundle. Yay! Funnel Zpresso is your full-featured funnel builder ready to replace your expensive ClickFunnels membership. Funnel Zpresso is included in the bundle. We have included Meet Zpresso, which allows you to run unlimited webinars, whether it's live or recorded, and never pay thousands of bucks to GoToWebinar or Zoom ever again. And if that's not amazing enough, the one bundle gets rid of all your graphic expenses with Graphic Zpresso. This cloud-based technology turns you into a graphics pro with quick ease. You can make more money. You can even make money by selling your designs to clients. That's right, Graphic Zpresso comes with a commercial license, so you can easily pay for your entire purchase. As with the other benefits, Graphic Zpresso is included for one low payment. Simple. The one bundle is your solution to save all the money that you are paying and will be paying in the future. But that's not all. We have also added awesome bonuses to help you make money. All these applications and bonuses are our best sellers, and only for the launch we are giving all of them away at a low one-time price. But there is one catch. The price is rising in every sale and in every hour to reward the early adopters and fast action takers. So if you are serious about making money while saving thousands, then your best time to take action is now. If you leave this page and come back later, you will have to pay a higher price. Also, after the launch is over, the bundle offer will be gone and each application will be sold separately at a monthly recurring price. So, grab the best chance of saving thousands of dollars and making money at a low one-time price right now, and we will see you in the inside.